तो ये जब हुआ था 11 बजे के आसपास हुआ था।
सी ब्लॉक है।
ये सी ब्लॉक है, जहाँ पे हुआ है वो सी ब्लॉक है। एक ही मतलब हमारा टेरेस सेम है, मतलब वो एक ही टेरेस है तो पूरा। तो 11 बजे के आसपास ऐसा बिल्डिंग ऐसे हिला, 3-4 सेकंड के लिए हिला था तो, और उसके बाद से आवाज हुआ, धाड़ से आवाज हुआ। तो पहले मुझे लगा कि ये अर्थक्वेक जैसा है, फिर बाद में लगा नहीं ये अर्थक्वेक नहीं है। फिर मैं जाके टेरेस पे देखा तो ये पूरा यहाँ पे गिर गया था, पूरा डस्ट था। बच्चे उस समय फॉर्चुनेटली नहीं खेल रहे थे। यूजुअली वो लोग बच्चे खेलते हैं सुबह में 9 बजे से लोग खेलना शुरू करते हैं, बट शायद 11 बजे के आसपास वो लोग नाश्ता वाश्ता करने के लिए निकल गए थे। तो फॉर्चुनेटली किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ। बस एक हमारे 4th फ्लोर पे हमारे हैं कलीग, तो वो सो रहे थे, उनको पता नहीं चला तो वो ट्रैप थे। बट फॉर्चुनेटली उनको बहुत ज्यादा चोट नहीं लगी है। आई थिंक अभी हॉस्पिटल में है, तो ही इज रिकवरिंग वेल। बट यहाँ पे पता नहीं क्या है, अभी तो देखना पड़ेगा।
सर अभी ऑफिशियल से आपकी बात हुई है,
हाँ।
एसोसिएशन की बात हुई है, तो क्या बताया उन्होंने इस बिल्डिंग को लेकर? किस तरह से?
अभी उन्होंने कुछ नहीं बोला है। उन्होंने ये बोला है पहले ये लोग डिजास्टर रिकवरी वाले बॉडीज को जो भी है अंदर दबी वो चेक करके खत्म करेंगे। देन उसके बाद से हाइड्रा वाले आएंगे और ये लोग रबल पूरा यहाँ से हटाएंगे। वो हटाने के बाद से जीएचएमसी फिर ये लोग टेस्ट करेंगे बिल्डिंग का कि बिल्डिंग सेफ है नहीं है। उसके बाद से अगर वो सेफ है तो फिर रेजिडेंट्स आके रह सकते हैं। और उसके बाद फिर हमने ये भी पूछा है कि मतलब गलती हमारी नहीं है ये तो उसके लिए कुछ फाइनेंशियल या कुछ और सपोर्ट हो सकता है कि नहीं। वो लोग बोले कि हम लोग बाद में बात करेंगे उसके बारे में, पहले सेफ्टी और ये खत्म होगा उसके बाद करेंगे।
तो अभी के लिए तो
1-2 दिन के लिए सी ब्लॉक के जो रेजिडेंट है उनको एडवाइस किया गया है, ऐसा नहीं कंपलसरी नहीं है, बट एडवाइस किया गया है सेफ्टी के लिए कि वो लोग बाहर रहें तो ज्यादा अच्छा है।
Today in Anjaya Nagar, there is an unfortunate incident where an illegal construction which was seized about 4 months ago started to construct again from yesterday, and it came down, crushing, and that caused the death of 2 people who were working inside, we were told. We are doing action to remove the debris right now. Along with that, the adjacent apartment has been structurally damaged. So we're making an assessment of that and advising the residents of the apartment to vacate for today until the assessment is done. Other than this building, there are other 4-5 illegal constructions where a menace of illegal, unauthorized hostels have come up around. We are going to take action on all of them and we're going to bring them down. So likewise, all these Anjaya Nagar is infamous for having all such unauthorized structures. We're going to start taking action. So we had actually seized this building 4 months ago. No work was happening for the last 4 months, but unfortunately they started yesterday and resulted in loss of some lives and it being coming down before we could take action. But this is a lesson to us also and to all the people who think doing unauthorized constructions can go unwavered like this. So we'll be start taking action on all of them. Yeah, we are advising them to vacate for today until we have to first remove the rubble and debris first and then do a structural assessment. Until then, Block C is a little vulnerable, so we are advising them to vacate.
We are now in Anjaya Nagar layout and you can see a building which has, which was about 7+1, almost 8-floor building constructed in hardly about 60 square yards of place. And which was actually, it came down today afternoon, and about 2 people were, they were stuck initially, and later on we could retrieve their dead bodies. Now this is the area which is quite close to the IT corridor, and you find a lot of IT employees here. They are staying in such hostels, and the buildings are also, they have totally, unauthorized structures, and you find a nala also here. And the building which was actually, which came down was built on a nala, and it has about 8 floors. And the permission, I don't think they would have got any permissions also. We'll verify all those, and we'll see that the buildings which are unauthorized and abutting the nala or built on the nala will be demolished here. And the culprit, Mr. Sajid, he is in the habit of building such buildings which are unauthorized buildings, almost 6-7 floor buildings it seems. We'll try to work out where all he has built such these things also, and we'll find out the details. And apart from that, we'll along with the corporation, we'll do a special drive in this area also, and we'll see that along with the local police and other agencies also, we'll work out and we'll see that such structures are pulled down.
So how many people are dead and injured?
Two are dead and injured. We don't have any details.
So today in Madhapur police station limits in the Whitefields area, one building which was under construction, covering an area of around 60 square yards. The construction was going on from G+6. That under construction building, it had already received a notice from the CMC regarding unauthorized construction. That it fell down, and because of this accident, there were two laborers who were working there who got injured, and once they were brought to the hospital, they were brought declared dead. So their PMEs are continuing. The Kukatpalli police has registered an FIR, and the FIR as of now, the FIR is against the accused, who are the landlord and the builder, who were building this despite it being unauthorized building. So that has been done, and right now, because the section involved is 105, that's a section where people can be remanded. So there the team is already out, and we are trying to apprehend the offenders.